Hello everyone, this is Madhumati, Assistant Professor, Department of Food Technology, SNS College of Technology. So in this video, let's see about the principles of food plant layout, its product, fixed position and the combination layout. So getting into the presentation, first of all, let's have an introduction about the what is actually the key principles of a food plant. So based on the design thinking principles, we can actually categorize this PPT under the 5 steps in design thinking. So the first one, our main aim is to create an efficient, safe, hygienic and a cost-effective production. For that we can actually have a unidirectional flow in any food processing company, and also unidirectional flow in sense it can be a raw processing, then at last we'll get a finished goods. So we have to ensure that all this processing has to be it should have a compliance with the regulatory standards like good manufacturing practices, hazard analysis, critical control points, and the Food Safety and Standards Authority Act of Authority of India norms. So based on this, now let's get into the layouts that we have to look into. So the first problem statement is the product layout. So first of all, we can categorize into product, fixed and the combination. So based on an efficient production, this product layout is nothing but where machines and equipment are arranged in order of the food processing operations. And we can define the process layout as it is actually a facility layout where machines will perform a similar operations that are actually grouped together. So that is the materials move between departments based on the required process sequence. So from this diagram, we can clearly understand that based on receiving session, they are categorized into different types of assembly where A, B, C, it has a different part, it plays a different role in functioning of the different unit operations that carries out in the industry. And coming to the fixed position layout, so this is nothing but a facility layout where the product will remain at one particular location. That is, it is actually immovable. That we call it as a fixed position layout, where the machines, materials, and both the workers are brought to the product to as needed. So in this diagram, we can clearly understand the fixed position layout. That is it. In the middle, we have a site where the project is being conducted. So with this site, where all the raw materials or the worker or the other things that are needed for the production are brought to the one particular place. So this we call it as a fixed position layout. And coming to the combination layout, so this is a layout where a process and a product layout. The process and product both actually are handled together. So that is, this will use the features of two or more basic layouts, and it is mainly adopted when a single layout type is not suitable for the entire plant. So based on the end product production processing, we can actually come to a conclusion whether a combination layout is needed or a single type of layout will be needed or not. And the next one, with this we can actually have a small assessment quiz like in which layout are the machines that are arranged according to the sequence of operations that is more suitable for a high volume standardized production is nothing but the product layout only, because that is the place where we will have a standardized production and the sequence of operation will also be in a hierarchical order. And the second question, which layout combines the efficiency of the product layout and the flexibility of the process layout by arranging machines into cells for the product families is nothing but the combination layout. So we can come to a conclusion that what is the role of the different types of layout in a food industry. So these are few of my references. So with this, you will have a clear idea about how a particular product is being actually processed in an industry, as well as how the type of layout